All right, here we are, game 2. YBA Evolution against the Sacramento Tornadoes. Starting lineup for YBA: Ejon, Ekam, Roman, Marcus, Alex. Tip is controlled by the Tornadoes. Roman punches it out of bounds, stays with them. First 2 points for Tornadoes. They better do a better job of boxing out if they're going to play it with this team. We got lucky on that call. That shouldn't have been a call. That was clean.
You should. Nah, they called a jump ball.
Oh yeah. But he almost had it though.
That's gonna be a problem. Finish.
Go, Eddie.
Dude.
Go.
Hand. Hey, rebound!
Where?
These guys got to start making some shots. They're going to get their asses whipped. Right now, my money is on the Tornadoes if they play like this. They want it more. What a move. Good move. Good move.
Hey, you can't come up here. Back door. Hands. You got it.
Nice pass. Nice pass.
Hey, good one. You coming up too high, K-Dog. You coming to that corner. You're way too high.
Alex makes his first one. So I need help with your eyes. I can't read the clock. Okay, it's 6-3, 13 minutes left in the first half. I didn't bring my glasses. It's all blurry. Second one is up. Not good.
Hey, you gotta box out.
Back.
Ekam. Downhill.
Go.
Good ball movement.
Hey, stop and pop.
I'm going to tell you what it is.
Hey,
That is a bad 3-point shot. If they play conservative, they're going to win this game. If they don't, see that? It's not a good shot. You're not going to win against us like that, right?
Yep, good job.
You're going to move the ball.
Get to
find
the
right
middle,
player,
get to the
and
middle.
You'll get it. That's no good.
Rebound, box out.
Marcus gets it hard.
Got a rebound.
You're doing a good job. Big man, y'all got to box out.
I'd like to see at least 3 passes on the offensive side before you decide to shoot it. Unless it's, unless you're breaking away, right?
Hey, y'all got to put a body on him. Dang, box out. Find somebody and box
Hey,
out.
do me a favor. Film for a minute. I'll be ready. Thanks, bud. Oh, wow.
The silvers.
Oh, get that. Good.
Good job. Turn around.
Gritty.
Stop ball. Stop.
Go, bang out. Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
Foul.
So that then we'll go to the line for 2.
Hey, it's okay.
Hey, you gotta try to.
what
You
you're
have to
supposed to
dunk
do.
that.
Yeah, that's
You
what
have to
you're
try to
supposed
dunk that. We're in this
Yeah,
here, you know, right?
Yeah, it's time for that.
I would root for that.
Yeah. It's time for that.
Come right under. I ain't looking for him.
We got a bunch of guys that run on the edge of doing it too, so I want them to try
No,
it.
he can do it with 2 hands. That's the thing. You just gotta, when you ain't never did it in the game your first time,
Your heart's
you always
running,
get your
right,
heart
right.
racing, bro.
Oh, because I can't really speak from experience. I'll be honest with you.
Your heart races.
Yeah.
until you get the first
Right. Oh, yeah, that's not good.
It's 9 to 8.
9 to 8. Okay, I'm behind
Way
now.
to get back. Go, Steve. Go to the corner.
We're 9 and they're 8.
Yeah, they got 8.
They got 8.
They don't got 9.
That's all right.
This is
Get
8.
back.
This is 9. Right? Armand comes in the game. Oh yeah, dude. Armand scored 25 points in the last game.
You all right? Wipe
He
your
was-
shoes off. Wipe your shoes off.
He was good. Hey, do me a favor. What does it say?
That says 12. That's
12.
right. 12 to 9.
Is that correct?
No, it's 12 to 8. Yeah, that's
All
good.
right.
Nope.
David,
Oh, Pete, go up. Go.
wait, there was a whistle, wasn't there?
It's been a whistle right.
Too many whistles, yeah, the other court. All right, let's set the lineup. We got some substitutions. We got Armand and Eckham, Roman, David, and Alex.
Talk on defense.
Ooh, nice move from Eckham. Back to Alex. Goes it to Armand. That's good. Oh, how's that not going? David with the backup.
Hey, Dave, you got a rebound. Come on.
We got a timeout on the floor. All right, here we are coming out of timeout. No substitutions for YBA. Again, it's Roman, David, Alex, Armand, and Eckham. It'll be side out Tornadoes. Here we go. Oh, block shot. Alex to David. David out to Armand. He'll take. Ooh. That's some good basketball. It always looks good if you make the shot, right? If you don't make the shot, that don't look good. Nice move.
Hands. Stay up. Who your man? He can shoot. 8 can shoot. Stay on him. 8 can shoot. Stay on him.
Armand is hammered. Oh, man.
Go at him. Go at him.
Oh, good defense. Roman grabs the rebound, passes out to Eckham. Eckham, left side Armand, lets it fly.
Go help.
Nice putback from Alex for 2. 9 minutes left, first half. Is this correct? Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't come this weekend. He's playing baseball. You know, he's a high-level baseball player. Yeah.
Hey, T, stop.
All right, we got substitutions coming in. We got Roman.
Hey, T.
Well, I'm just going to set the lineup. I don't know who's in and out. Wait a minute. Right now we got Marcus, David, Ejon, Tin, and Armand. Heads up. Tin gets it.
Hands! Hands!
Yeah.
Hands! Nope. Back up.
Marcus. David with a good rebound. David. David needs to play football. Talk to his dad. I'm not kidding you. He's ready to start playing football. I'm telling you. They haven't allowed. He played flag football. He's NFL, dude. I'm not kidding. He's fast.
Hey, y'all got him boxed
He dunks. He dunks no problem. Oh yeah. He's raw though. Like he'll be the D-back. Dude, I'm not kidding you. That guy is. He's different. He's different.
Get it! Stop ball! Stop ball!
Armand's on fire. Getting the ball in the hole is the key. There you go, Tin. Good defense. Oh, good shot. Good shot.
Head! Help!
Armand just eating today. Get close. Get close. There you go, Tin. So Tin, if you took his shirt off, I swear to God, he's Bruce Lee. Yeah. He can grab the rim.
What?
Shoot the first
He's
shot.
only been playing basketball for 2 years. Yeah? Oh, is he okay? Let's take a pause.
Get your ass over here, boy.
Do I got the score right now?
Y'all got 25, and they got 12.
How much do I show here?
Take off 2.
Oh, take off.
No, take off 2.
I'm
They got
trying.
25.
I'm trying to.
And then they got 14.
Hey, how many do I have here now?
14. You got 10. Yeah, 14.
All right, good. We're good now. The pot is right. I'm using Daniel's phone. Mine's usually a lot bigger. I can see it.
13, y'all got 2. Stay home, T. Stay home.
All right, 7 minutes left.
Hey, whoa. Hey,
Hey, we're real.
hey, you
We're
better
real.
get on, lady.
All right, let's call it. Hey, let's get back to playing. It's all right. It's just fun and games. Come on now, let's go.
Okay, and then somebody mama came over and whooped your ass, you would. Come on, sister, don't be like that. You ain't even like that. I know, I'm just saying, see, that's somebody's kid.
Everybody, we're all good. Let's get back to game. Let's play the game.
What the hell? What the hell?
Alex, go sit on the bench, please. Listen, they both were wrong, and they should both get a double technical and call it and get back to playing basketball, right? Everybody getting emotional. All right, hey, everybody relax. Let's finish the basketball game, huh? Yeah, hey, everybody just relax. Yeah, I'm telling you. I've seen him do it. All right. Coming out of the timeout, I guess. I don't know what they call that. Alex is going to shoot some free throws. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's a double technical, so they'll be with a shot on the other side too.
What else on?
Like they say, right? Okay. So getting back to business. I don't know, what was he called, the technical? He must have spit on him. I think that's what they're talking about. I think they had an interaction, right? And I think, but and here's the thing to remember. The last person that gets caught is the one that pays the price. It's not always fair, unfortunately, but it's best to just avoid that shit.
You don't know what.
Ken! Oh, what a good shot. David closed it. Almost. For
Short. Go get rebound. Help with the rebound.
Oh, that's good.
Help with the rebound.
He's money, dude. Armand is on fire.
Hey, D, help with the rebound.
I don't think he's missed that. He missed 1-3 yet. Keep feeding the bad. Feed him. Almost Tyrese Halliburton.
Hey, T, stay home and help with the rebound. Help with the rebound. One behind. One behind.
Armand is on fire. Oh, he should have made that too. Probably. I don't think there was a foul there. I mean, you can't call everything, right? Ooh, nice shot. Oh, wrong team, damn it.
Watch screen. Talk. Right there, talk. Get over there. Down low. Yep. Hands.
Corner.
Get back. You gotta get back.
He's on for 3.
Hey, you gotta get back. You have to.
I never seen you or Roman or any of you guys get in the
Hey,
fight.
no, you
Maybe
gotta
Jabbar a
get
little
back.
bit. Jabbar has a little
Hey,
fire.
lazy over there.
But you guys never get in this big fight. Roman chickens. He's on. Good rebound. Yeah, it was the right pass. It's all right. Good idea. Communicate.
All right.
Oh, good. What happened? Okay, well, looks like we
Red
have
on black.
got a technical foul on. I think it's on the bench. Was it on the bench? It was on Marcus on the bench specifically.
One more ejected.
Oh. Oh, I think maybe he did get ejected. I think he did get ejected. So Marcus on the bench looks like he may have lost his spot. 4 minutes, still first half, huh?
Skip it. More. Oh.
Gino! Yeah, they want to try to get control of the game. Exactly. It's all whistles.
Hey, up top. One more. Get back, one in the corner.
It's good sportsmanship.
okay.
That's good sportsmanship. We like that.
It's okay.
That's good stuff.
Hey, it's okay. Watch the play. Hey, watch the play. Behind you. Yep.
Yeah, I think so. Ooh, Alex. From the logo.
Go down to the corner.
Fire.
Yeah, he gave you a little chicken wing.
That was a heat check right there.
Get it again, back door. No, too small. Jump.
Good work. Let's go.
Hey,
Armand gonna get a break. Great play. Eckham comes in. Ejon gets fouled.
that was a good one. Who you got? Hey, don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot. Hands. All right, go, T. Get down. Get to your spot. Come on, here we go. Kids. Hands. Hey! Woo! Go get it.
Scores right.
Yeah.
Ah!
the first half. It's been an action-packed game.
Go get it, kid.
It's not over yet, man. It's definitely not over. We got a whole half.
Right here. Knock it down. Go get the ball. Go get it.
Oh. There's no foul there? Come on now.
No, it is.
I was gonna say, it is arm. It is arm.
Alright.
I saw it because he hit his elbow, that's all. Plus, that's my son, so it's always going to be a foul. At least I'm being honest. Hey, you got 1 point in the game. There you go.
Get his money.
You got to get some point. Dude, good free throws. All right.
Go, run. You gotta go.
Good defense. Good defense.
He just poked it out. What? He just poked it out.
No, they had it right. David, touchdown. No.
Man,
We shouldn't have done that. That's not the right play. That's not the
That's the right sport, man.
Good move. Doesn't go in. Ooh, David goes down. He'll get fouled. I think we're in the penalty now. Tell him he's football prospect. He never played football. I'm not kidding you. He might be the fastest person in this entire gym.
He looked like he could dance.
If he's not, he's top 3. I would say.
Back up.
That was pretty lazy. Nice. He's on for 2.
Jordan, take a charge.
Push him out, Tin. Push him out, Tin. Good shot.
All right, hey, go to the rim.
Come on.
They called the basket off?
No.
Or they took the basket is good, but
Yeah.
timeout?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, it's the end of the half.
48-26.
Is that-
1 more point. Yes.
Here we are. Second half. Sac Tornado against YBA. Lineup is Tim Roman Eckham, David Armand, going with our guard lineup. 27-48, thank you. Shit, I can't even see my own scoreboard on this phone anyways. It's somewhere around that. He's on a heater today. He scored 25 earlier today. I knew he was on. Woo! Nice job. David, rebound.
Watch your man.
Armand, less dribble. You good, dude? Less dribble. Heck of a rebound. He's gonna go. Break it up. Stop it, guys. Come on. Okay, well, had a bit of an interruption. Had some ejections. Armand got ejected. So right now, let's see the lineup. We have Alex, Eckham, David, Tin, and Roman. That was saved, but they called it over in the back. That was saved. It's all right, though. It's okay. No, they fixed their call. That was a good call. All right, side out. Roman will take it. Let's redo this. What are we doing? That's a bad call. Come on, man.
Come on, let's run it up on him. Let's run it up on him. Go through.
That's a walk. That was 3-4 steps.
Rebound. Yep. Let's turn it up, fellas.
Roman grabs the rebound. Only got 5 players.
Go to the
10
right.
in the corner.
Hey, you see what they doing?
All right, let's play defense now. Nice steal from Beckham. Defense. Let's go, YBA defense. Play good defense. Roman gets a steal. Woo! 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 Nice pass, Romy. Defense! It's a good play. Take him! Roman gets fouled. Hey, no quick shots. You don't need to. Make a good shot. On the other hand, if you're wide open, shoot it. Oof. That's explosive. Good job, Romy. Roman gets a rebound. Delivers it to David. Cheetah. Oh, lost it. Gets it back. Oh, misses it. Attack, Tin, attack!
Call for it. Go get it.
Help, Roman! Nice block from Alex. Nice assist. Good block shot. Eckham gets the rebound. Way to stay with it. Good block. Woo! Roman. And one. That's what we're talking about. Jalen Brunson style right there. The little guy.
Good job.
He's just my guy, you know. I mean, you know, he's the smallest guy out there, you know what I mean?
That's how you gotta finish.
Yeah, man, he's something. Him and Billy. I don't know if you know Billy and Jabbar and all them. All three of them that were sitting here earlier.
Oh, yeah.
They were all on the same team together. So
Oh, okay,
I think he plays on the 13U team for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Woo! What a shot. Can't let that happen too many times. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Get it. You gotta get on the ground. Pressure.
Nice finish from Eckham. He's a baller, yeah. He's a great finisher. Right? He can finish. Nice. That's a nice move right there. That's a nice move. He's a good player. I know his dad. His dad, the tall guy, right? What's his name?
No, his dad is coach.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, his son is the other big guy, right?
Yeah.
He's not here. He's not playing now. Just like our big guy, right? Okay, well, you know what? These kids are getting some game time, you know? Let them play, man.
Watch behind you.
Roman. Nice delivery. Bubbled it. Nope. Gets his rebound. David has springs in his legs. Telling you, man. Energy. Oh, good move. Good move. You guys got to move your feet with that guy. You can't let him just do that. Oh, too much. Just go simple. Good patience, David. Woo! 3 on the way. Got 9 minutes left in the game.
Stay on him, side.
Move on.
Four minutes left in the game. Roman, stop and pop. Oh, gets picked up by Alex. Misses it. Goes back up, gets his own. Block shot. They're going to call it a jump ball. No fouls. No fouls. Shoot out 10. There you go. There you go. 10 on the board. Letter 8. Letter. Matt. Give it to little guy. Give him, let him shoot. Yeah, let him shoot. Hey, let the little guys shoot. All right. Nah, dang it. All right, that's the game. What's the final score, man? 40-70. Thank you. How about that? I got it right.